Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some recipes from the all-you-can-eat recipe set. I've made all of them except for this one, the berry sorbet. So that's what we're going to make today. So let's get a sundae bowl. I am going to put a spoon in it. I don't always do that. I can't tell what color it's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be this color, but I think I'm going to use one of each just to give it. Actually, there's three, so I'll do two of one. That will be cute. And then I need, which resin is it? Oddly, it looks like they use the syrup, maple syrup. Huh. Some of these instructions have been interesting because you could tell which bottle it is. Like that's a glaze, that's a drink bottle, that's a round big one. So yeah, they used the syrup. We'll see what that looks like. And then they used some berries, some blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. So we will grab those. And probably won't need to use too many because there's only so much you could cram into the little sundae thing. So let's get started. Here are the instructions. From the picture, it kind of looks like they use the pink ice cream, which is the raspberry. It's like hot pink. But I'm going to only use two of those. And I'm going to add a mango because I think that would be a cool little color scheme there. So let's put one in. And then another. And then one in the back. I hate that it's not like even. Should I leave it like that? I feel like this should be a different color. But then I also feel like it would be weird if there's two mangoes on top. Let's just leave it how it is. I'm going to open the resin. It might come out a little pink because I just made one with pink. So if it does, you know why. I feel like it should have pink on it. That would be better. So I'm gonna drop some over down here. Make sure you always look at it from all angles till it looks how you want it to look. You don't need too much with the ones that are stacked like this. I'm gonna throw the spoon in the back. And then I already opened all these because those containers are really hard, I think, to open. And I didn't want you to have to watch me struggle through that. This is definitely going to be a colorful one, that's for sure. Put that on the back. Make sure you look at all angles. Throw a raspberry in there. I think that's pretty cute. I don't know, I don't want to add too much more because then it covers the pretty colors of the ice cream. I don't know if it's supposed to, like you're supposed to see more of the resin so it looks like it's floating in there. But I do have some that drop down there and I like the way that looks. I guess you could add way more resin if you wanted, but I'm gonna cure it. I think this is okay so far. Okay, it's all cured. I think it looks pretty cool. I like that you can see some of the blueberries in the sauce down there. But if you'd like to see us customize some more recipes, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.